I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself an Instagram account on your iPhone. So this is basically an iPhone over here and this is Instagram. So if you do not know how to download Instagram on your iPhone, then you can watch our video to know how you guys can do that. But this video is on how you guys can create the account, not download, alright? We have already posted the download video, you can go check it out. Now, to create yourself an account in iPhone, first step you want to click on the sign up button at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to pick yourself a username. Then you need to pick a username which nobody has used. So if I just write Kevin over here, it's going to say the name has been used, as you guys can see. So I need to create a unique name. So let's say I add a number over here. So I'm going to add 33333. So I'm going to add 4 3s over here. Is that 4 or 5? Okay, that's already been taken. So I'm just going to choose the another 3. Alright, that's also been taken, another 3. I'm just going to keep on adding 3 until it's like not taken. So yeah. Basically, this is going to be my username, Kevin, and all the 3s. And I click on next, alright? And it's going to ask me to create a password for my account, so I'm going to do that. Now, after I create yourself a password, click on next. And basically, this is going to be my username and the password which I set. So I need to click on complete sign up and click on OK. So there was some trouble for me creating an account. If you're also facing this problem, then you need to click on add phone or email, alright? So I'm going to click on this. Now once you're over here where it says phone number, enter your phone number, click on next. A verification code is going to be sent to your SMS. Enter the code over here and your phone number is going to be added on your Instagram and it's going to be created. But if you want to use your email instead of your phone number, you can go on email. Now over here on email, you want to write your email over here. So this is going to be my Gmail. So if I write my Gmail, click on next, a verification code is going to be sent to my mail, whichever mail I typed over here. So I need to go check this mail and click on the link sent by Instagram. Once I verify myself, then Instagram is going to know this email belongs to me and an account under this email is going to be created. Whether it's a phone number or email, you can use whichever thing you want. You can just have to use any one of these, phone or email, alright? Once you use it, your account will be created. So yeah, that's how you guys can create yourself an Instagram account in iPhone.